Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another skincare Sunday. In today's skincare Sunday, we're going to be doing a one brand skincare routine, and that is with Tarte. Yay! I love Tarte as a makeup company, but they also have some awesome skincare products too. And you guys, we're gonna be using all Tarte today. So if you wanna learn how I take off my makeup and use all Tarte skincare, then keep on watching. So we're gonna start off by removing our makeup. First, we need to take off the lashes. Now to take off all of this makeup, we are going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. I'm going to rub this all over my face and then we're going to take it all off. Zeus, get out of the studio. How many times am I going to have to ask you until you actually get it? Houston, we got a problem, okay? I can't touch the dog. Dog, get out. Come on. Out. Come on. I just broke my chair. God, are you kidding me? What is it today? What did I do to deserve this? So this happened because I had to take care of the dogs. Moving on to step 2. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of this cleanser to get off the eye makeup because like I said, we had to go take care of the dogs. But I'm also gonna use some of the Tarte Friction Stick. You can use this as like a 5-minute face mask, or you can use it as an exfoliating cleanser, or you can use it as both. We're gonna be using it as an exfoliating cleanser to really get all of that makeup out of my pores. I'm just gonna be applying the Friction Stick where I need it the most, which can sometimes just be all over my face. So I'm gonna exfoliate this back into my skin. So these are the Tarte Pack Your Bags Under Eye Gel Masks. I'm gonna put these on just so that we have no puffing going on and we can really smooth down those under eyes. Then we're gonna use the Tarte Tight and Bright Multimask. I'm gonna apply the mud mask on all of the areas where I need some more like cleaner pores, fresher pores, and then I'm going to apply the gold mask where I need more smoothing and moisturizing. So I'm gonna give these a couple of minutes to sit and dry, about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna take it all off. So now that everything's been on for about 10-15 minutes, we're gonna take it off. So next product, you guys, is the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment. We have been breaking out a lot lately, so this is gonna help knock out all of those pimples on my face. The next product I'm going to be using is the Blemish Bully Acne Spot Treatment. This is going to really help get rid of those pimples. So once we are done with our masks and all of our treatments, if you feel super dry, and I'm feeling dry, but I'm feeling fresh and I'm feeling clean, I'm going to add a little bit of my Rainforest of the Sea Radiance drops onto my skin before we put on our moisturizer. This is gonna really help bring that radiance into our skin, but also help moisturize it. Since my skin is oily, I'm only doing about 3 drops for my skin, but if you have more dry skin, you can definitely do a little bit more. Then we're gonna jump over to our eye cream. This is the Tarte Maracuja Sea Brightener Eye Treatment. And then the final step, one of my favorite moisturizers, this is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydration Boost. Alright guys, so that is it for my one brand skincare routine using all Tarte Cosmetics skincare products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you've tried any of Tarte's skincare before and what your thoughts are on it. And of course, if you want to see more one brand skincare videos, then please leave what brand you want to see below. But thank you guys again so much for tuning into today's Skincare Sunday. Make sure to subscribe right there, and of course check out all the rest of my creative, DIY, and fun skincare Sundays. Oh my god, skincare Sundays. Skincare Sundays, skincare Sundays. Woo! But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.